Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for finance. First, open Notion and create a new page, naming it Personal Finance Dashboard. Next, add a new database to this page, choosing the table view. Customize the columns to include essential properties like date, amount, category, and type, income versus expense. This foundational setup is crucial for effective financial management within Notion, allowing you to tailor it precisely to your needs. Once your database is ready, begin tracking your daily financial movements. For every income received, like a $2,000 paycheck, add a new entry. Similarly, log all your expenses, whether it's $50 for groceries or $150 for rent. Make sure to assign each transaction to its appropriate category. This consistent data entry is vital for gaining a clear picture of where your money is coming from and where it's going, helping you identify spending habits. Notion is excellent for setting and tracking budgets and financial goals. You can add properties to your database to define budget limits for each category, like a $300 cap on entertainment. Create separate entries for your savings goals, perhaps aiming for $5,000 for a new car. Regularly review your spending against these targets. This proactive approach helps you stay accountable and makes achieving your financial aspirations much more manageable and transparent. To elevate your financial tracking, explore Notion's advanced features. Use formulas to automatically calculate your current balance or sum up spending in specific categories, like total utilities for the month. You can also link your finance database to other Notion pages, such as a net worth tracker, for a comprehensive view. Make it a habit to review your financial dashboard weekly. This consistent analysis empowers you to make smarter financial decisions and continuously refine your money management strategy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.